To edit the navigation bar of your Squarespace site, head to Pages within the site editor, and to add a new page, which would add a new navigation link up here, you're going to click on this plus icon and select either a page, a collection, or a folder or link. You would select a folder if you're wanting a navigation link with subpages, and you would click link if you want to link to an outside page outside of your site. So for now, let's click on blank page and give your page a title. If you hover over a page, you can delete it, or you can click on the gear settings here to change anything like the page title, the navigation title, the URL slug. You can add a password to the page. You can also duplicate it, set it as a home page, or delete it. And you also have additional settings here if you want to add a code injection or have a social image set for the page or add any SEO settings. Once you make a change here, you'll see a save button pop up here. So if you make changes, make sure to save. Otherwise, click on close. To get something like this where you have a navigation link with subpages, so it looks like this when you hover over a navigation link, you're going to add a folder, give it a name, and then from here, you're going to add pages within that folder. If you want to add a section to your site, but you do not want it to pop up in your navigation bar, you would go down here to not linked and you would add pages, collections, or a folder link down here. If you want to change anything else outside of your navigation links within your site header, you're going to click on edit and hover over your site header so that you can click on this edit site header button. From here, you can mess around with different settings like the site title. You can add a logo. You can style things like this button here, and you can mess around with the position of your header. Once you're done, click done. And if you want to change anything pertaining to the aesthetics of your site, this will all take place in the design tab under site styles. If you have coding chops and you want to target any specific Squarespace element, you can do that in the custom CSS section of your site.